Hey, what's up guys? Happy Halloween. Today I wanted to do a video on my sales kind of decreasing at a rapid rate recently, and I think I figured out why. So let me know if anybody else's sales look kind of similar, where last week maybe Monday was really good, Tuesday good but not as good as Monday, Wednesday continuing to decline, Thursday continuing to decline. Now we knew about Thursday, Friday we would stop seeing as many Halloween sales because Amazon wouldn't be able to commit to the delivery by Halloween, by Monday, by today. But I think there's something else going on. So I'm going to share that with you in this video and hope that it's not something that we control, unfortunately. So we're going to need to lean on Amazon and Amazon merch team to get this ship righted. So let's get right to it. Real quick reminder, in the description, I've got some free resources for you. I've got my 7-day Amazon merch mini course delivered via email. All you have to do is give me your email address. I'll send you one lesson a day for 7 days. And I've got a great Amazon merch Facebook group that I hope you'll check out. All right, so I'm on my Pretty Merch Pro Plus research tab, and I'm gonna open up just any t-shirt, okay? So why don't we open up this jack-o'-lantern t-shirt? I just wanna show you guys something. So let's say that I wear a men's size large. Oh, well, look at that. It is out of stock, all right? The orange t-shirts ahead of Halloween were not kept in stock. So Amazon did us dirty there. I've seen this happen in the fourth quarter, but I've never seen it happen this badly, this obviously in Halloween before. Maybe I just wasn't paying enough attention, but I really don't think I've seen it where, you know, the only sizes available in a men's orange shirt is small and 3XL. All right, if we want to go to a women's orange shirt, you've got, okay, you have all the sizes. That's great. And youth, it looks like you've got almost all the sizes. No XL, XXL, or 3XL in youth. Beyond that, you know, I know most of us probably our best-selling shirt colors are black, at least my own, you know, personally. If I go to view, this is just, you know, a random bestseller, but it doesn't matter if it's a bestseller or a new t-shirt. The reality is these are blank shirts that are, you know, warehoused, and again, when they make the sale, then they get, you know, printed and whatnot. So if we look at a men's black shirt, it looks like everything's in stock except for 3XL. That's good. Let's look at women's black shirt really quickly. It looks like women's is good, and youth, everything good except for X, XX, and XXX, and then 3T. I'm not really that familiar with the youth sizes, but if we go to navy, it looks like navy. Maybe youth doesn't offer the X large, XL, and 3XL. But look at men navy. So if we go to men navy, extra large, XL, and okay, I'm getting these confused. But all the extra larges are sold out for navy. We didn't check women. Let's check women. Women, the 3XL is sold out. So just a lot of colors sold out. We look at the asphalt color in women's. All the XL, XXL, and 3XL sold out. Go to men's. The small and the extra large sold out. Youth, small is sold out. So they just have a lot of restocking to do. And this could be, wow, look at brown men's shirts. Only size available, 3XL. So if there's one thing to take away from this video, guys, I think you get the point. And let's just keep looking real quickly, but I'll talk as we go. Women's is in stock. Youth is in stock. Just make sure now that we can offer 10 colors. And I mean, I know the person that made this shirt, the original owner of this shirt. I'm going to message them after this video, and I'm going to suggest that they enable more colors, you know, because we can go in and we can enable up to 10 colors. I'm pretty sure you can do that on the old designs, can't you? I haven't tried recently, but I'm pretty sure you can. Adding additional colors would be a really smart idea, because there may be people that want to buy this shirt and are severely limited in what colors they can even choose as a function of what size shirt they wear, you know? Look at the youth size. Medium sold out. I haven't seen any of the XXX and XXX large. The 3T sold out, looks like, pretty often. Women's in the dark heather, the small is sold out. Men's, wow, in men's dark heather, only medium is available. So if you're publishing new products, I would say just definitely make them available in as many colors as possible, as long as it makes sense, as long as it looks good. Don't forget, when you're creating product listings on Amazon merch, there is the upload settings where you can, what do they call it, like publish settings, where basically you can create like a template so that every time you create a new listing, it's going to start off with like those products selected in those colors. And that's something that I heavily leverage. I use Merch Titan's automation to automate most of my uploads anyways, but also Flying Upload recently added support for that. So now both of those upload tools are pretty much working the same. I can drop links to them in the description in case anybody wants to check them out. But if you're in lower tiers, you don't really need the upload automation, but it's worth knowing that that's there. So guys, if your sales are down, it might not just be that Halloween sales are pretty much done at this point. I mean, it's Halloween today, so Amazon's fast. They're not that fast. But it's certainly like, you know, oh, I'm a man. I want a fit type men's brown shirt, go to sizes, and I can only get a 3XL. Well, unfortunately, that's not going to fit me. So this is something to be aware of. Hopefully Amazon gets this figured out really quickly, but I did want to just point this out in case anybody didn't notice that a ton of color and size variations are out of stock. Also, making your designs available on premium shirts is another great option because those are printed on the Bella Canvas 3001. They're a better quality shirt in general, and I'm not afraid to charge, you know, $22 for my premium shirt so that I still make that $5 royalty. So that's something else you guys can consider. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And did you see a decline in your sales too? Because I think this really started to pick up steam last week. And yeah, hopefully they get them back in stock. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and check out my full Amazon merch course. I know that a lot of people got recently accepted into Amazon merch, I think like last Friday. So if you want that full tutorial, like linear tutorial in the order you need it, everything that you need is covered in the course. I'll link to that in the description. Guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow with a new video.